Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own lace appliques for your wedding dresses. If this is something that you're interested in, then you definitely want to keep on watching. So the first thing we want to do is find or get a fabric that has really nice lace patterns that you can cut out, like what you can see right now. This has lace patterns, beautiful lace patterns that you can cut out. You can then trim out using your scissors, and then you would have something like this, which you can use to embellish your wedding dresses or your special occasion dresses, just to make it look more beautiful, more luxurious, and whatever it is that you want it to look like. Or you can use your soldering iron, which is one of the fastest tricks to make or create your lace appliques. So these appliques, I actually bought them in the market, but they came with laces. You can see the lace underneath. So you want to, instead of using your scissors, you want to use your soldering iron. It's faster and it cuts through all the excess lace fabrics or lace materials that you don't need on your appliques. So this is one fast way to make your lace appliques, and you can see that I have already done one, and this is what it looks like. There is no lace underneath, it's just as it is. Then you can go ahead to either trim off some more, use it to embellish your dress, just like you can see. I hope you found this very useful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye.